Meet Timmy, a happy little boy who loved exploring his village. Wherever Timmy went, his brave and loyal dog Buddy was right by his side. They were best friends and did everything together. Every walk felt like a fun adventure when Buddy was around. One day, Timmy and Buddy followed a path into the forest. Sunlight shined through the trees, and everything felt calm and peaceful. Suddenly, they heard a quiet cry coming from deep in the forest. They followed the sound and found a small deer stuck in thorny bushes. The deer looked scared and couldn't get free. Timmy felt worried, but he knew they had to help. Even though it was a little scary, Timmy and Buddy worked together. Buddy carefully pulled the branches away, while Timmy gently helped. Soon the deer was free. The deer looked back at them for a moment, then ran safely into the forest. Just then, dark clouds filled the sky and rain began to fall. Timmy felt afraid and didn't know the way home. But Buddy stayed calm and brave. He led Timmy through the rain, guiding him safely back to the village. When they reached home, Timmy hugged Buddy tightly. He knew he was never alone. That day, Timmy learned an important lesson. Real bravery means being kind, helping others, and trusting your friends. And with his brave dog Buddy by his side, Timmy was ready for many more adventures.